Good morning, guys. We are up bright and early for sunrise. Well, my hands are freezing again, but it is about 8 degrees outside right now, and we are down in Bryce Canyon National Park again for the morning. Just real quick before we head out, and I am down. This is a little trail called Thor's Hammer right here. So right here, this rock right here, where is it? Right, this one. It's called Thor's Hammer. It's really cool, and it resembles the hammer in the ground like Thor, if you've seen the movies, which I'm sure everybody has. But yeah, it looks amazing out here. The rocks just light up in red. So I'm gonna grab a few shots. JP's up there, or was. Oh, my friend JP, you didn't see him yet, but he's up there. I'll show you when we get up there. We met up with the boys last night, and they came. JP and the dog slept in the room. I had an extra bed in the room. So we're gonna go back there and get some breakfast. But just check out these views right here. Crazy, man. So crazy. All right, I'm gonna take a few shots. Let me know what you think about these shots. We're in like a big canyon, right? And I stumbled upon this. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know if they're doing a movie or what, but there's a bunch of pods. Guys, like, look at this wall. How is this possible? And it must have connected millions of years ago. Maybe there was like a huge earthquake, and then like this was all underwater, and that's how the water made the rocks smooth, and they all connected or something like that. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but this is crazy. By the way, right now, driving, I got 15 minutes left to go. I'm gonna park at this spot, meet up with Terry and JP and Tiago. I met them earlier. We had breakfast and stuff. I'm gonna jump in their truck, because my car obviously can't drive off-road. And then I think it's another hour or something of off-roading to get to Coyote Gultch, which is in Escalante Grand Staircase or National Monument, or I don't forget what it's called. But yeah, we're gonna hike down into that, and we can, I guess he brought a rope, because you need a rope to hike down to rappel down the wall or whatever. And it's like a big cave area, really cool. I've only seen pictures. I don't even think I've seen videos, just pictures. So we'll see how it's like in real life. But it should be like another hour to get there. So we are in JP. There he is right there. You got Bentley in the back. You can't see him, but he's back there. We are following Terry, he is way up there. On our way to Coyote Gultch. I don't know how long this drive is. Oh, an hour? 20 minutes?
But because we're like, I think 10 miles an hour.
Okay. So probably be there in like an hour or so. Maybe longer. But yeah. This is what we'll be seeing for the next hour. Not a bad view.
Not a bad view.
This is amazing. Jacob Hamlin or John Hamlin? Jacob Hamlin Arch. We get Terry, the guide, right here. This is crazy. And then we get the bat. Supposedly that's a bat. This is crazy. It's insane. All right, we are here. The Jacob Hamlin Arch is right down there. I'm sweating. I'm all wet. But we have to, since there's no rope, we have to sit on our booties and go down. This is massive. Holy shit, I'm wet. I don't like it. Look at it. All right. I think Bentley's gonna stay up here with Terry. Right? Or is Terry going down? I don't know. All right, let me traverse down this thing. So we just had to scale all the way down this cliff right here. A little further down, more. And we'll be there. Oh shit, this is dope. This is so dope right here. Oh my god. Crazy. This is absolutely incredible. We're literally at the bottom of a canyon. That's crazy. That sounds crazy.
That dog is sitting up there being like,
yeah, I know.
Go, right?
Hey!
We're taking your picture. It's a good one.
It's crazy. Look at this view. This is crazy. We are here. I probably look weird. I don't know where that. Did they go that way? I don't know where they went. Oh, I got wet. Damn it. I don't think he climbed over that, did he? Oh, alright, we are heading back. Really cool place. Alright, we're getting ready to head back up. We gotta scale the mountain to get back up there. We gotta climb all the way up there.
5 to 8 years.
We made it.
Just savings to justify the loan.
Holy shit. What a view.
Right.
Don't say with all the sunshine, I just got me a whole case, I'm worried about mine. I showed up on time, leave whole shook inside.
So guys, we just got to Cosmic Ashtray. If you can see where our cars are parked. Where are they? All the way down there. You can see right there. Super far. We had to hike all the way. And this right here is Cosmic Ashtray. rappel into the Cosmic
Keep your hands back and on the rope.
Ashtray.
So once you got your
He's
first
first.
good foothold,
Inside. We're about to climb up here to get on the top. Is he coming? Oh man, he kept asking me up there to take.
one of your shoulders.
Okay. So you want to do this?
Yeah, so brace yourself against the wall, make sure your feet are nice and stable. Now you're gonna be involved in this.
Okay.
Because you're gonna come over here and do this with your knee.
I guess
And sort of stabilize my
Alright.
leg. So you're gonna do that right
Let's do
about
it.
there. Okay, here we go. Back and not quite tall enough, maybe.
Here you go. Get it. Yeah. There you go.
Maintain that.
There you go.
Position.
You got it. Why is my flash on? Turn that off.
Pretty sketchy. Oh no.
You want me to push your foot? Where you guys at? Can't see.
Anybody else going down there?
Taking a picture.
Ready?
I need something dramatic.
Ready, get set, go. Let him know I can keep.
Yeah?
Finish him.
I don't keep anything. I got to finish.
And action.
Wing it.
What?
Wing it. Own it.
Do we have to like
Fight.
get for the rope?
Yeah.
Fight for the rope? Right, ready?
One person has come up this rope.
Do that again. Do that again.
Okay, who can help me here?
What's up? All right, we are done. Now we gotta go all the way. You can't even see them. They're like dots, like little ants. All right, let me switch the camera.